Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows wireless capability is turned off. First method is turn on Wi-Fi switch on laptop keyboard. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Turn on Wi-Fi. Third method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Network and Internet. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update driver. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, uninstall device. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.